Hello everyone, my name is Sushil Ramawat Verma. I am studying in SYBCom Class Division 4. My roll number is 342. My project topic is Issues of Orphanage Guide. Introduction about my project topic. In Nigeria, a child can be referred to as person that is below 18-year-old. An orphan is a child who have lost either one or both parents. A vulnerable child is one whose parents do not have the capability to care for due to health, physical, social or economic reason. Definition Definition of orphan. Evidence clearly shows that the vast majority of orphans are living with a surviving parent, grandparent, or other family member. More than 90% of all orphans are over the age of life. Types of orphanage. There are five types of orphan: true orphan or double orphan. A child who does not have a mother or father due to their death. Single orphan, a child who has lost one of their parents due to that poverty orphan. A child who has been technicians due to extreme family poverty. Abandoned orphan, a child who has been abandoned in a hospital, market, bus stop or any other location. Social risk orphan, a child who has been taken away from family due to abuse or neglect. Needs and important about of issues of orphanage guide. Why is this orphanage needed? Solabasti is a poor village in North India, and here we see girls on the streets alone, a vacant look in their eyes, orphaned by AIDS and diseases. We see other girls in rag clothes, cast aside simply because they are girls, not boys. These girls competing with rats and dogs for scraps of discarded food. Girls vulnerable to rape and sex trafficking. This is the cry of Solabasti. It is for these precious girls that Let's Build an Orphanage.com will build a home. Strategies: raising awareness about the problem, documenting the extent of the problem, mobilizing the community for action, making ends meet, helping to educate and train children, improving legal system to help children. Conclusion: it will help to improve the current situation of orphan child and give them needed help that they deserve. In future, we can use this portal as the social platform to improve the current condition of orphans. Suggestion: counseling of peer problems, maintain a good relationship between the caregiver and the child, access to internet and communicative devices under a supervision, special attention on teenagers, educate on adult adolescents health, educate to adolescents on impacts of substance abuse, educate the caregiver on psychological changes in adolescents, train them how to live in the society well. Thank you.